In this video, we will learn how to use the large function in Excel. If you are using the normal max function, it can give the result only the maximum number from a range. But to identify the second largest and third largest, you have to use the large function in Excel. Let's find it out how to use large function in Excel. In this example, I have January and February data with some numbers, and from that I want to identify the first large, second large, third large numbers from that data. So how I can do that? To do that, you have to use the large function in Excel. Equal to large, select your range. You can select entire column if it is only one column, or you can select the entire data if it is multiple columns. If you want the first large number, then type 1 and close the bracket. If you want the second largest number, then you can type equal to large, select your range, comma, either you can type 2 or select your 2 and close the bracket. Now how to make a total of the first to third numbers using sum and large function in Excel. Equal to sum, open the bracket, type large, then select your range, comma. Now if I give 1, it will take only 1. But now if I give the array from 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, then it is going to take those numbers. For example, I am going to type 1, 2, 3, close the array, close the bracket, again close the bracket and enter. If you manually take the total of all three, it is 498. And if you use the sum along with the large, you can also get the same 498 number. This is how you can use the large function in Excel along with sum function in Excel. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, please like and share. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.